Alright guys, so I'm going to show the factory set the Galaxy Ring. Now you may want to do this, for example, if you're done using and want to sell it. If you want to connect to a different phone, or if it's giving you issues and you want to try fixing. Now first just make sure the ring is in the case. Then go into the Galaxy Wearable app. Hey, if you're not already connected, check out the video in the top right. And as long as you're connected, press reset. Then press reset. To make sure this works, it should automatically go into pairing mode. You see Galaxy Ring. Gonna press cancel. And you see I only have the Galaxy Buds connected, not the Galaxy Ring. And yeah, you're good to go. Alright guys, hope this helped out.